So my name is Emma Samuth. I am from Richmond, Virginia, and my major is global affairs. So Mason was the right choice for me, one, because of the proximity to DC. I always saw myself going into a career in government, and so I thought it was really important to be near DC. And I just really loved all the people I met at Mason when I toured, when I went to admitted students days. I really felt at home, and I really genuinely liked all the people that I met, and so I could see myself going to Mason. A big part of making this feel like my home and my community has been serving in local community leadership roles, so in student organizations. I've done a lot of work in the Jewish advocacy space, so I've worked with Hillel and Chabad, and also some international organizations. I feel like that ability to plug into a student group, find your community, and empower others in your community is really important and something that was really accessible at Mason. I think the Jewish community has been thriving the past 4 years since I started at Mason. Advocacy is important for anyone and for any group of people. And I think especially when you come to college, you're looking for a community to be a part of. You're looking for your lifelong friends. And that's really the beauty of being able to join student groups and be able to empower other students while you're also being empowered yourself, connecting with your own identity and fostering that community on campus, and maybe that's away from your home, depending where you came from. You know, creating that home away from home is super important. School can be hard, and that's definitely a good reprieve and something that we all deserve. George Mason definitely helped prepare me for life after college, especially the career advising and academic advising is definitely what helped me know what I need to do to get where I want to go. After graduation, I'll be going to law school, also at George Mason, Mason Square. And my intention there is to go into national security policy, possibly work in government. We'll see where that takes me.